Hi, I'm Tammy. So it's autumn. It's really cold out today. I think it feels like it's 70 degrees. So I'm going to make a drink to warm myself up. It has bourbon. All right, so this is a Apple Cider Bourbon Smash. We're going to put an ounce and a half of bourbon into the shaker. See, there's even a breeze. That breeze is freezing. Okay. And then I squeezed half of a lemon, but I don't want to use all of it. I only want to use a half an ounce. So I'm going to measure that out. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon. My voice is all shaky because it's so cold. And then we're going to use 3 ounces of apple cider. This is a really heavy bottle, so you can tell I'm not very strong. All right, pretty weak. It's 1.5. There's 3. All right, now we're going to shake this up and get it nice and cold. Want to make sure that it freezes my fingers. Doesn't take a lot to do that since I think 75 degrees is freezing. Okay, now it's frosting over. And pour it over the ice cube. And then I'm going to garnish it with a cinnamon stick. And then we're going to do a taste test. And that's delicious. It's a really good pairing. The apple cider with the bourbon, they go really well together. It's a really smooth finish. It's really good. I hope you all try this at home. Thanks for watching. Cheers.